The brick was developed as an area light. The principle behind it is something that's simple and portable that can be put into a large or small space and light that space up.
The brick is our second light after the 8100, but it's really the first one that we conceived with anything special in mind and designed from the ground up to be portable so that we can work in the same industries where portable hazardous location lighting is required.
The idea of it being a portable luminary, which is part of the listing, is that it's designed to be carried in an operator's hand to the work area and survive that trip, survive that handling, survive the bumps, the drops, etc.
The brick is a light that is very strong in output, 96 LEDs, putting out some 11,500 lumens, with an optic capable of throwing the light 150 feet, maybe 200 feet, relatively lightweight, highly portable, easily mountable.
The brick features a truly unique set of mounting accessories, from a magnet for clean steel to a mechanical mount for dangerous areas. The brick's mounting options allow for quick installation in almost any kind of environment: tripod, quad pod, ladder mount, handrail mount, etc.
Certification is the ticket into the explosion-proof world, and so all of our explosion-proof lights are certified.
Certifications include wet location, portable luminary, explosion-proof, low voltage, perfect for confined space applications of uncertain combustible gases or dust. The idea of being able to combine the use with a live gas situation and water, that combination is becoming more frequently required as gas and water lines are buried often in the same ditch. Shipbuilding, power plant maintenance and construction, refinery work, cleaning of tanks, cleaning of cracking towers and units. It's perfect all-around light for any kind of application where there's combustible gas or combustible dust present. The accessories for the brick include a bag to protect from overspray protection, a blast shield if you choose to abrasive blast, protecting the primary glass lens from ricocheting abrasives, and dome diffusers, which are designed to take and diffuse the light from rather being directional to being more of an area light, spreading that light out so that the value of the light is increased.
I do not know another manufacturer that is building a light from the ground up, conceived as portable.
It's a durable, first-rate, world-class, explosion-proof light.